Labour Party. Well, every Nigerian has a right to fraternize with any group, with any political party of his choice. It is a right that is guaranteed by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And therefore, whoever feels that they want to fraternize with any group, the choice is theirs. But the constitution of the party is also very clear. And the Constitution of Nigeria is equally clear that you cannot belong to two political parties at the same time. In fact, the Bible said you cannot be hot and cold at the same time. And so the answer is simple. Those who are romancing, we are watching them. And at an appropriate time, the party organs will decide what will happen. The second part of the question is whether the FCT senator is still a member of the party. I think she will be in a better position to answer that question. So I will join that you look for her, find her, and ask her if she's still a member of the party. So I think these are the two questions that are for me. Okay, the third one was the one that was asked by... Well, like we have said in our communique, we have been in this party for years. We have piloted the affairs of this country, of this party. We have grown the party. We rose from the ranks and eventually got to the level that we are in this party. This party believes in legality. We believe in the letter and spirit of our party constitution. We believe in the letter and spirit of the Nigerian Constitution. I want to say very clearly that legality does not give way for illegality. The courts have stated clearly that the party is supreme, that issues of leadership are internal affairs of the party, and by virtue of that, reaffirmed the constitution of the party and reaffirmed the leadership that was elected by members of this party in 2024 at Nnewi, which produced the current leadership of this party. You will agree with me that the so-called group are not only illegitimate, they are illegal. And therefore, legality cannot give way for illegality. We are therefore using this opportunity to say that our doors are open. And I want to put the question in a better perspective. I think the question should go to them, that they should sheathe their sword and come back to the house. If they come back and apologize, we are ready to forgive them, because we believe that there is no victor. So we'll forgive them and work with them. Thank you and God bless you.